Yvon Duhamel, Team Kawasaki's top road racer.
Hello and welcome back to Pete's Classic Cycle, where tonight you'll find me sitting on my makeshift work table / motorcycle bench. Well, guys, you all know I love Kawasaki triples, I love Kawasaki history, and I love Canadian motorcycle history. So you combine all those things together and one name comes to the top, Yvon Duhamel. So tonight we're going to be paying tribute to the late, great Mr. Duhamel by recreating one of his famous helmets. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Yvon Duhamel, number 17 from Canada, still feeling the after effects of 2 broken knees.
So to recreate one of these old helmets is actually a lot easier said than done. Going back and looking at a lot of the old photographs of Yvon Duhamel, there were so many variations of his helmet, his design, the brand of helmet that he wore. So it was really hard to kind of come up with one definitive design that I wanted to focus on. And the design that I chose to go for was probably the most iconic of all the Duhamel helmets. Now, for those of you unaware in the bit of the history around the Kawasaki helmet design, they actually issued a Kawasaki Team ID helmet kit to all of their factory riders. So using some detailed photographs from an original Kawasaki Team helmet ID kit from my friend Jeff in Australia, and then referencing those dimensions with photographs that we found online, we were able to recreate what I would consider the most accurate Duhamel replica decal kit in the world, bar none. So to create the actual decal kit, I was very lucky to find Andy from Orchard Graphics out of the UK. He's a great guy with a great company that specializes in reproduction graphics. So this quite literally was a global effort to recreate this helmet kit. Now, one last person I should thank as well is Mike Fairholm, again out of the UK, for providing me with this original tinted shield for the Bell Star 2. Enough of me blabbering on. This is my first time putting on decals, so please bear with me. I really hope I don't screw this up, but let's get cracking. Wow. So I can't believe it's finally finished and it turned out absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about this. To be perfectly honest, I'm pretty speechless looking at this. You know, Duhamel was such a legendary road racer. Unfortunately, it was before my time, so I never got to witness him race in person. But what an absolute legend. So to be able to pay tribute to him with something like this, to hang in my garage here at Pete's Classic Cycle is it's absolutely wonderful. I'm absolutely blown away by how this turned out. Now, if you're watching this feeling inspired, wanting to make one of these helmets for yourself, well, you're in luck, because all of my hard work did not go to vain, and Andy at Orchard Decals is actually going to be selling this exact kit on his website, where I'll have the link below in the description. Now, there are actually two versions for sale. First off is the Kawasaki Team Helmet ID kit that I mentioned earlier, and the second special edition Duhamel kit, exact same as the original one, with the addition of the number 17, the Canadian flag, and that beautiful Duhamel font across the front. Yeah, again, I'll have the links in the description if you want to purchase either one of these kits. So thanks again to my international team of enthusiasts, Andy at Orchard Decals, Jeff in Australia, and Mike again in the UK. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, wonderful tribute to perhaps one of the greatest road racers of all time, Mr. Yvon Duhamel. Thanks again for watching, and as always, please ride safe.
Open your mouth.